Perfect. Sounds good. I've got all the thumbs up. We have got today with us the Junction team. Folks, if you have the speaker access, can you go ahead and just give us a quick mic check?
Yeah, thank you, Robin. Yeah, I'm Hara, the CEO of Junction. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, loud and clear.
Okay.
Looks like we are good to start. Once again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody who has joined us today for this space. Thank you for joining us. Today, we have a wonderful project with us called as Junction, which is a layer 2 for decentralized AI. They're building something awesome around AI in Web3. So, will not take up much time to introduce what Junction is. Let the founders themselves give you a very good intro about what super cool they are building. And then I'll just give you a quick intro about what 10 is if you are from the Junctions audience.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, I totally like today's speaker is me, Hara. Yeah, I'm a CEO of Junction. Also, yeah, Japanese very famous and biggest Japanese market cap project, JASMY's CFO. Yeah, thank you so much for today's this like a wonderful AMA and good. Yeah, nice to meet you for this TENS community and also Jasmy and Junction community. So yeah, thank you so much for coming here. Yeah, so can I start from this like my quick introduction? Okay, Jobin.
Sounds perfect. Please go ahead and start ahead with a quick introduction about you. Then we can hear what Junction is doing.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, actually I am Hara, and after passing the CPA examination in 2008, I built an 11-year career at KPMG. This is a consulting firm and focusing on audit and IPO and M&A. Actually, there are a few people like a CPA in this industry. So yeah, that's why I kind of like I want to be like a specialist for this kind of this Web3 marketing, Web3 financing, and so on. Yeah, after that, I received a strong invitation from JASMY management and to create like a crypto asset listing project. So maybe this in this timing, that the 2018 is the first one from Japan. So I joined JASMY in 2018 and became CFO. So responsible for everything related to crypto asset and tokens. So later, it became the first Japanese project to be listed on Coinbase and Binance in 2021. In addition, JASMY is one of the few crypto assets that have cleared Japanese regulations and is called Japanese Bitcoin due to its extremely high liquidity and price movement similar to BTC. Yeah, this is also quick my introduction. And so for Junction is also thank you for introduction, Jobin. Also, this is also original layer 2 blockchain that provides accurate and traceable data input and protects personal information and privacy for small and medium entities or startups developing products that utilizing generative AI or large language models. Yeah, so I want to talk about like a narrative for this, like creating this project, but also next time for about 10 communities. And Jobin, please like a introduction for yourself and the tens information to our JASMY and Junction communities. Thank you.
Thanks for that wonderful intro and quick introduction about 10. So we are encrypted layer 2 on Ethereum. So we offer encryption on chain with private shared states. And what this means for users is that they can finally have encrypted dApps or confidentiality of data, states, transactions, or basically, in very simple terms, you get privacy as one of the features in your dApp if it's a Web3 dApp. So it was not something that was possible in the past, especially when it comes to something like Ethereum, where everything is transparent. But in this case, it's programmable. You have the opportunity to build something like private AI agents, because this is space with Junction, and Junction has been doing uh, great work on the AI side. I'll just use this example of AI. So you could have private AI agents which are on chain, where your conversation would stay just yours and nobody else can look into that or get to know about that. So complete privacy, complete confidentiality of your chat and your data that is being used for this AI agent or training of it. So that is something that is possible with 10, and that is what 10 is. And by the way, quick introduction about me. I'm Jobin. I am a developer relations engineer at 10. So I hope that's good for the introduction side from 10 for the Junction community. So let's dive deep into what exactly we both are doing at Junction and 10. So the first thing that I wanted to ask about Junction is, how different is Junction when it comes to other AI ML projects? Like, how do you stand out? What exactly is your unique selling point?
Yeah. Cool. Also, thank you so much for introduction. And also, actually, I met 10 in East Denver, and also like a quite good meeting. We can do it. So so that's why we today this AMA is here, so we can good collaboration for future and more deeply involving our communities and ecosystem and so on. For my actually this Junction narrative. So many of you may remember that CEO of NVIDIA and OpenAI and Meta visited Japan last year and met with Prime Minister Kishida-san with a focus on generative AI due to ChatGPT and the rapidly growing demand for GPUs for generative AI. And so the global market for GPUs is expected to be worth 12 trillion yen in 2028. So in the rapidly expanding market, we met with several companies developing products in generative AI or creating large language models, and understood that there are major challenges in generative AI. So the challenges is to improve response accuracy and ensure traceability of results while protecting individual privacy. So even if a company wanted to implement generative AI, it would not be able to answer questions using current AI because it would be not have input from the company's own language, specialized skills, or industrial practices. So especially now, it doesn't work in case of important decisions, like spending money. So in addition, if the same information were to be input, it would include a great deal of confidential and personal information, and the construction and maintenance of a corporate database containing such information would be highly risky and expensive. So we saw a business opportunity here. So that's why I already introduced for this Junction. It's an original layer 2 blockchain. And yeah, it's so that provides accurate and traceable data input and protect personal information and privacy. So furthermore, by providing distributed GPUs, computing resources that is expected to exhausted in the future, we will support the development of generative AI products in terms of quality improvement, cost reduction, and seamless deployment to Web3. Yeah, so also this is also our narrative for creating this junction. Thank you.
Thanks, Hara, for answering that question. So, how does your roadmap look like right now? Junction is in what stage? Can users and developers start playing with Junction? And what is there for developers and users down the lane?
Yeah. Also, it's a good question. So Junction aims to solve the challenges faced by AI services using blockchain technologies, of course. So while AI has made significant progress, issues like GPU data shortages, layer data sets, and AI model limitations are prevented further development. So Junction integrates these key elements to offer simple, seamless, and secure AI services. So this is also big visions. And for next steps, we are building our product, especially for these MVP models. And actually, this is also under a construction of our product, and want to integrate this, create some mainnet and integrate our tokens. This is also the JASMY token for payment for this using these resources, and want to newly create this newly involving something new users. And by the end of this year, this December. So this is also our so big visions for creating this newly working for this ecosystems, especially for this providing new function for a kind of governance, kind of the light for governance, and expanding these token ecosystems from just meet communities and integrate these junctions. So this is also our roadmap and big vision for this year.
Awesome. That's awesome roadmap, and I'm personally looking forward to start using Junction and building on Junction. I'll uh, pretty I'm pretty sure that I'll give it a try out once it's out. We could build something like AI agents, and with 10, we could make it private so that the confidentiality aspect is maintained. There is encryption, and those chats and conversations stay private. There are a lot of possibilities. Like we could have health, private health AI agents where you could share your health conditions or chat about some certain situations, health situations, or ask for some advice, and all your health conditions and data that you share would stay completely private. So all these things are possible with the help of Junction and the encryption and privacy added by 10. So Hannah, when you started building Junction, what all were the challenges that you came across? Because building AI on Web3 sounds very sweet and good, but I'm pretty sure there are a lot of blockers and uh, problems that you might have came across, like some big blockers. How did you? What are the challenges, and how did you come across those?
Good questions. Also, we want to focus on security and privacy issues, because this is also have big, huge problems in this AI industry, right? And also already have some good function. So privacy protection and security, long-standing issue in this, in IT industry. not only in the Web3 industry. So yeah, so JASMY has been dedicated to solving issues related to personal data management. So when using online services, people often need to provide a lot of personal information, such as their name, address, date of birth, gender, email address, or credit card information, or like a bank account details. So most people likely don't know how many sites have their personal data. So especially concerning highly sensitive details like debt records, or registration with like a marriage counseling services, right? Where is all this information stored and who manages it? So it's also like problems. So in response to these concerns, so JASMY has been advocate for data democracy and actively working on solutions. So JASMY has developed two core technologies leveraging blockchains. So the first technology allows user to provide their KYC, know your customer information to others. It records when and how the information was shared with the other party on the blockchain, making the data history clear and traceable. The second one allowed users to manage their devices, enabling them to monitor device status remotely. So these technologies are patented from Japan. So all the technologies, JASMY has developed are applied in Junction. So as the JASMY ecosystem expands, the secure data available through Junction will accumulate. So the SDK and API are already operational, enabling Web2 companies to transition to Web3 seamlessly and securely. So additionally, they are creating the necessary environment for a precise data input with blockchain PCs. This is also our product. So data utilization through a decentralized database. This called it personal data locker. It's a decentralized and personalized database. Also, it's also our product. And data provision and data exchange via wallets. Also this is also like what we want to focus on. Thank you.
Great to hear that you're solving this and you have realized what all where the block is. So how does Junction actually, like, this is from more from a developer point of view, how does Junction's execution layer handle the various AI subdomain functionalities? Can you elaborate on that if it's possible? I'm sure it's more on the technical side, but if you can answer that, then developers in our audience would be really interested.
Cool. Actually, we new CTO joining this Junction, and so he is also a specialist. And so for details, we want to provide by our CTO, but we mostly focus on this GPU resources and this privacy and security, solving the problem in AI industry. So that's why. So we want to the Junction aims to solve the challenges facing these AI services using our blockchain technologies. So we provide new opportunities for small and medium-sized business through services that combine GPU power and AI. So high-performance GPUs are essential for AI development, but their cost is a major burden for small businesses. So we address this by pooling idle GPUs and offering them as needed, solving this challenge. So additionally, so data generated from IoT devices is critical for AI development. We protect data privacy and ensure the data source and management methods are clear. So creating an environment where data can be used confidentially. So by offering full models that combine GPU power and AI and data access, small businesses can access all the resources needed for AI development. So Junction's architecture is designed with bottom-up layered structures. So the lowest layer stores optimized public data sets used for pre-training AI models. And the middle layer has vector datasets, database, and algorithm hubs for prompt processing, supporting models optimization and fine-tuning. So the core computing layer pulls idle GPU resources and provides them to the upper layer applications. So the top layer includes AI applications and intelligent agents for end users, offering advanced services by leveraging data and model and computing resources from the lower layers. So this architecture allows Junction to optimize the entire process from data to applications, so providing efficient and convenient AI services. So in this way, Junction achieves the optimization of data, computing resources, and AI models through the fusion of blockchain and AI, aiming to offer safer and more reliable AI services. So the key features are decentralization and verifiability and efficiency for use for GPU resources. Yeah. Also, it's like a good vision, and also we want to expand this industry, especially for these hard challenges. But we want to try it. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks, Zara, for explaining it in a very detailed manner. And I hope that a lot of good opportunities pop up for developers to start building using the services that you're offering. What do you think would be some of the most impactful, most significant use cases or applications that would be built on top of Junction?
Yeah. Use case is quite important. Also, already Jasmine community understand we have some, many good use cases with Japanese or Asian countries, companies. Also, including some Japanese biggest and remote call center services and historical travel agencies want to utilize the customer's data itself or math models without using this personal information and share live services. Actually now we are building for this using this decentralized database services and customized for these AI models. For example, now we are negotiating and under building with consortiums for the purpose for consortiums, because almost all companies should have data inside of the companies, right? They don't share it because of the regulations. Only under NDA, it's also good, but we want to more like comfortable for using this like personal information. So this means a kind of DID we want to create and share it for this some like governmental purpose. For example, sharing the information from hospital and house or some other customer base, some shops and some retailers, some industry like that. So this is also suits for governmental policy in Japan. So this is also like we can solve the problems for this, how to share the personal information easily and securely in regulations. So actually it's very difficult and also hard to try it. So that's why I have some good interest with you guys 10. So you have some good owned layer 2 blockchain, and also you can provide some function for solving the problem for this like a security industries. So it's also good function. Yeah, because we Junction and background Jasmy focus on this. Only create some our own blockchain, but using a kind of private chain. The consortium base and the basement technology is Hyperledger Fabric. So that's why it's very suit for combining this database and blockchain. It's also like there are a few projects for if you can already we can provide our personal data locker combining the blockchain and AWS based and IPFS based database. So this means if we can collaborate with some furthermore like a future more collaboration or for something more like a good function, especially for providing some data or sharing some data in abstraction or security, more securely like a purpose. For example, we are like have some good interests of some zk or so kind of like technology. For providing some like a data security. So that's why. So we want to involve some ecosystem and some like want to utilize some data itself for secure purpose and creating some use cases not only from Japan but also it's like a good progress and some like advantage in Japanese like company or government. So actually I want to share some like more and more like details, but also now we are focused on building our GPU market and especially for convert from Jasmy's product to AI models. So that's why it's also like we want to emphasize only one or two targets for creating these MVP models. Also this industry. So visual is very important. So that's why we can even provide something visual products as soon as possible, and so add some use cases from these MVPs. Thank you.
Thanks, Hara, for sharing all the use cases that are possible. And I do agree with you, even not just day to day, in day to day activities and among retail users, but even in a commercial level, public and private sectors, every vertical would start seeing the adoption of AI. And like you said, businesses, especially businesses where they don't want to share their business data with a public AI, which would get to know what is being discussed internally in a company or in a business, which is something that is highly confidential. This would be a great solution. AI that is secure and private. So I see the adoption for AI is going to go up really high, and the focus on secure and private AI is crucial. At the same time, making decentralization ensures that this big tech giants don't peek into uh, the data that businesses handle or even individuals in their personal day-to-day activity on an AI app or a platform uh, do. So great to know all the use cases, and I'm looking forward to seeing all these applications popping up on Junction and being encrypted and being made private and secure using 10. So, Hara, thanks for answering all these questions, and we are pretty close to winding up this space. Thanks being a part of this Twitter space, and it's great to work with such an awesome team backed by Jasmy, and we do see that there is a huge amount of interest from the Japanese audience. Here's to all the audience who has joined us from the Jasmy side, and especially uh, all the audience who have joined us from Japan. So thanks, Hara. Thanks, Jancton team. And I'm super bullish about this partnership and looking forward to seeing more adoption with AI, especially AI in Web3 and in a secure and confidential manner. Once again, thanks all the audience for joining us. Hara, any last words before we wind the space up?
Yeah, cool. Thank you so much. Actually, if you have a time, so please share our community for your like use cases or what you want to do or what you want to, especially for this AI industry or something creating something like especially please share your use cases. Now you are creating or you want to do next for this creating some use cases in AI industry, if you can.
For sure. Everybody in the audience, if you have some, if you're brainstorming some mind-boggling, some super good moonshot ideas that you want to build on AI, then please head over to Junction's community. By the way, you can go and check out Junction's community by following the logo that you see in the co-host on the space. Just follow them up there and get more details about Junction. Join their community, and like Hara said, if you have something super interesting you're building, go ahead and share it there. And do let us also know so that together we can build some great AI applications that are decentralized for the community. Thanks, everybody, for joining this space. Have a very, very good day. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you so much. And also thank you for everything coming here, our AMA. And so we'll be actively working with TENS community again on future collaboration, more like some ideas. So please keep in touch for this our each communities actually. So that's why thank you so much again for today's AMA. And also thank you very much for TENS community and Jobin, thank you so much. Bye bye.
All right, folks. Have a very good day.
Yo, so what'd you guys think of the AMA? It's gonna take me a little bit to kind of chop it up and take away what I can from it, but very, very cool, man. Very cool to see Hara doing the AMAs and stuff still. All right, guys, I am going to have some breakfast and stuff like that, and then I will be back for the regular morning live stream in about an hour or so. So I will see you guys then. Thanks for coming, guys.